Crisis strikes. How to safeguard the deep-sea energy lifeline. Credo Pump CLF Series vertical turbine fire pump could help you out. Customizable pump unit length. In this case, the total pump assembly exceeds 40 meters, yet occupies less than 1 square meter of platform space. Developed with special metal materials and welding processes to withstand highly corrosive marine environments. Credo Pump-Offshore oil and gas field fire pump, honored as a single champion product in Hunan Province's manufacturing sector. Delivering safe and stable fire protection for global offshore platforms.